Gladden, I wanted to talk to you today about your grades. One thing that we're doing at Central is at weeks 3, 5, and 7, we look at your grades and your attendance, and we just try to make sure that everything is going well. I was looking at your grades, Mr. Gladden, and I've noticed that you've got 2 grades that are a 65% or less. Did you know about that?
No.
Well, step 1 in this is for us just to visit. We've got our counselors and our RTI coordinator, and we're going to be visiting with you about how we can bring your grades up, because failure is not an option here at Central. And so I just wanted you to know that we're looking at your grades and how you're doing. Now, through this process, I need you really to be committed to bringing your grades up. And in a couple of weeks, when we look again, if your grades are still at a 65 or below in 2 or more classes, then we need to bring your parents up here.
No, I don't want you to do that.
Well, you remember what happened last time Mom and Dad came up here?
Let's not talk about that.
Yeah, it wasn't good, was it?
No.
So we need to be sure and be working hard on these grades. Now, if after Mom and Dad come up here and after we have our plan of action, if grades are still not good, then what we need to do is we're going to be using prime time to really provide some intense tutoring for you. So again, what we
You mean I won't get to choose what I want to do during prime time?
Frisbee golf won't be an option. So, do you think you can work on these grades, Mr. Gladden?
I guess.
Now, the other thing that we're looking at also is your attendance. Now, if you have 6 absences or more, again, you'll be coming on the radar. And again, right now we're just talking about it, but if your attendance doesn't get better, then we bring Mom and Dad up here, and then we look at legally what we have to do here at school. So, I'm assuming you want to pass your classes, Mr. Gladden?
I guess, yeah.
You guess.
I do.
Do I need
guess.
to? I don't need to.
What happens if I don't pass my classes?
Miss Smartfield.
No, I'll pass.
Okay. Well, let's work together getting your grades up so that way it's a win-win for both of us. Does that sound good?
Sounds like a plan.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Gladden.